Welcome back everyone. I included this product link in the description for most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Ducky 1-2 Mini Black RGB V2. Ducky 1-2 Mini is one of the best keyboards available in the market. Irrespective of being a 60 mechanical keyboard, the manufacturing quality is top-notch and has gained a lot of respect in the gaming community. The astonishing looks, replaceable keys, and customizable RGB make it a perfect choice for any user. It comes with a set of keys to customize it according to your taste. The HyperX red switches are fast in response and have tactile sound to improve your keyboard experience. The features are diverse and comprehensive on this keyboard, but it doesn't come with software for customizing macros and RGB. Everything is done by pressing the physical keys. You don't want to lose the manual while owning this keyboard, but a person with enough knowledge would appreciate the loss of these features as they allow offline tweaking. The USB port has been reported to be a bit lost in manufacturing quality, but this keyboard's operation is flawless. We all remember those days when USB keyboards couldn't register multiple keys at once. But this keyboard has the USB and key rollover option. It gives you the ability to press multiple keys at once, which is, most of the time, essential in gaming. It has a USB-C connection and can handle macros, which can be programmed easily by pressing a set of keys. The keyboard also comes with dip switches to choose your layout. I included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.